Welcome, champions of life. If you truly care about living longer, feeling energized, and staying healthy, then listen up, because this message could change your life. The secret to longevity isn't just in what you eat or how much you exercise, it's also in how well you care for your body. And today, we're revealing 5 body parts that must be cleaned daily if you want to avoid illness, boost your well being, and extend your lifespan. Stay with me till the end, because every second of this video is packed with knowledge that can transform your health forever. 1. The navel, your body's hidden germ magnet. Most people overlook this tiny spot, but did you know that your navel is one of the dirtiest areas of your body? Think about it. Your belly button is a dark, moist, and warm place, which makes it a breeding ground for bacteria, sweat, dead skin cells, and even lint from clothing. If left uncleaned, it can develop an unpleasant odor and even lead to infections. Scientific studies have shown that the average human navel can contain thousands of different bacteria. Some of these bacteria are harmless, but others can cause infections, especially if you have a deep or closed belly button. In extreme cases, neglecting navel hygiene can lead to fungal infections, skin irritations, or even cyst formation. Cleaning your belly button daily is simple. Use a cotton swab dipped in warm water and mild soap to gently wipe the inside of your navel. If you have an innie belly button, be sure to clean it thoroughly, as dirt can easily get trapped inside. For those with an outie, a simple wash with soap and water will usually be enough. Avoid using alcohol or harsh chemicals, as they can dry out the skin. A clean navel isn't just about hygiene, it's about respecting your body and ensuring that every part of you stays fresh and healthy. Small habits lead to big changes, and taking care of the little things now will pay off in the long run. 2. Behind the ears, the overlooked danger zone. How often do you clean behind your ears? If your answer is not often or I don't remember, then it's time to change that habit immediately. The area behind your ears is one of the most neglected spots when it comes to hygiene, but it accumulates sweat, oil, dirt, and bacteria just like any other part of your body. This buildup can lead to unpleasant odors, skin irritation, and even infections. The skin behind your ears has sebaceous glands that produce oil. When mixed with sweat and bacteria, it creates a perfect environment for germs to thrive. Over time, this can lead to a condition called seborrheic dermatitis, which causes flaky, itchy skin. Another common issue with not cleaning behind the ears is the development of a bad smell. Have you ever noticed a musty odor coming from that area? That's because sweat and bacteria have built up over time. Some people even experience small patches of crusty or scaly skin due to prolonged neglect. The solution is simple. Make it a habit to wash behind your ears every day. When you shower, take an extra moment to gently scrub the area with soap and warm water. If you sweat a lot or wear glasses, which can trap dirt in that area, you may want to wipe behind your ears with a damp cloth throughout the day. Remember, personal hygiene isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good and protecting yourself from unnecessary health issues. Take care of every part of your body, and it will take care of you in return. 3. Under the fingernails, the secret bacteria hub. Your hands touch everything from your phone, money, and doorknobs to your own face and food. But do you ever stop to think about what's hiding under your fingernails? Studies have shown that fingernails can harbor more bacteria than the palms of your hands, making them a secret hub for germs. Under your nails, dirt, dead skin, food particles, and bacteria can accumulate without you even realizing it. This can lead to infections, foul odors, and even stomach issues if these enter your mouth. In fact, research has found that harmful bacteria like E. coli and Staphylococcus can live under your nails, increasing the risk of illnesses such as food poisoning and stomach infections. Washing your hands isn't enough. You need to clean under your fingernails properly every day. The best way to do this is by using a nail brush with soap and water to scrub underneath your nails. If you have long nails, keep them trimmed regularly to reduce bacterial buildup. Nail hygiene isn't just about looking neat, it's about protecting your health. Your hands are the primary way bacteria enter your body, so keep them clean and stay safe. 4. The tongue, the key to fresh breath and strong immunity. Brushing your teeth is important. But if you're not cleaning your tongue, you're missing a crucial step in oral hygiene. Your tongue is a breeding ground for bacteria, dead cells, and food particles. These can lead to bad breath, gum disease, and even digestive issues. A white or yellow coating on your tongue is a sign that bacteria are accumulating. Over time, this can lead to oral infections, bad taste, and even a weakened immune system. Some studies suggest that bacteria on the tongue can contribute to systemic health issues such as heart disease. Cleaning your tongue daily is simple but effective. Use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush to gently remove the buildup from your tongue. Do this every morning and night, and you'll notice a huge difference in your breath and overall oral health. A clean tongue leads to a fresh mouth, which boosts confidence and overall well-being. Don't overlook this small habit. It can make a massive difference in your health. 5. The feet, the foundation of your health. Your feet carry you through life, but do you give them the care they deserve? Many people ignore foot hygiene, thinking a simple rinse in the shower is enough. But your feet are prone to sweat, bacteria, and fungal infections if not cleaned properly. Fungal infections like athlete's foot thrive in moist environments, especially between the toes. Neglecting foot hygiene can lead to smelly feet, cracked skin, and even painful infections. Walking barefoot in public areas, wearing tight shoes, and sweating excessively can all contribute to these issues. To keep your feet healthy, wash them daily with warm water and soap. Pay special attention to the areas between your toes where bacteria and fungus can hide. Dry your feet thoroughly after washing, and if you're prone to sweating, use a foot powder to keep them dry. Healthy feet mean a strong foundation for your body. When your feet are clean and well cared for, you feel more comfortable, confident, and ready to take on the world. Your body is your home. Treat it with respect, care, and attention. The little things you do every day define the quality of your life. Take action now and make these daily cleaning habits a part of your routine. If you found this helpful, remember, knowledge is power, but action changes lives. See you in the next video, where we unlock more secrets to a stronger, healthier, and happier you. Stay motivated, stay unstoppable.